What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel again. So today is the tour video of the apartment that I was wanting to do for y'all. So let me just kind of go throughout the apartment, show you the stuff. We'll go down to the garage so you can see the garage, see the car in there. Had to get the garage there. We have a covered parking spot for my girlfriend. But let me just kind of show y'all this and see what it kind of looks like for y'all there. It's not very big, it's just 2-bed, 1 bath. Kind of connected in between the bedrooms there, but you know, it'll do for now until we can get our house. So let me go ahead and show y'all the apartment. Okay, so once we enter in from the front door here, you got a little closet, okay, for your, you know, vacuum or your jackets or whatever. So you'll have your little coat hanging closet there, and then you'll immediately be seen into the living room area, and you'll kind of just see there's our setup there. We bought a coffee table, nice sectional couch with the entertainment center in the middle with the big 65-inch Sony TV. Of course, your boy had to have the Xbox, so I got the Xbox Series X so that way I can play with the boys. But that's pretty much what the living room looks like there. Now we will add a bunch of, you know, I guess pictures and stuff as far as that goes, but we're just getting settled in. So let's go to the back side. Patio is not very big, but it'll do for now. I do like how it has this little space, so you put chairs or whatever, so you're kind of enclosed. Got a little lamp up there. Here's the view from the side. Big tree, so you can't really see much as far as that way, but I mean, you can still kind of see a little bit heading out that way, and then up in the hills, way over there, you can see other houses. But small little patio, it'll do. Let's go back inside. And we'll go back to the kitchen center. Now I do like these granite countertops here. Got your dining room, table, chandelier looking lamp. Here's the kitchen. Like I said, I do like the granite countertops there. Very nice, deep sinks. Now you got your nice stove and oven, microwave, your fridge, you know, and then you got your pantry, dishwasher, laundry room in here with the laundry. You can kind of see that there. So pretty good stuff here. And then, you know, you got your storage closets there. And then here's the, if you go to the right, your linen closet, stuff right there. And then once we enter in this door, this is the restroom. There's me, guys. But yeah, here's the restroom there. I wish they had put the granite countertops in here, like in the kitchen. Makes sense to do that, but this will do. I mean, it's better than nothing. So got your toilet, got your bathtub here with the jets in there, so that'll be pretty cool if you want to just take a bath. You also have the shower here in the back, so you got that there, and that's pretty much the bathroom here. So it's pretty big. You know, it connects into the bathroom here. So here, what I'll show you is, so coming out this way, there goes the 2 bedrooms there, or if you want, you can enter in into the master bedroom here. You can see the bathroom goes through there, but this would be the master bedroom here. It's got a pretty big size closet for the girl here. Let her take all that. And got both of our dressers here. Bedroom, big window. So pretty good size there. I like it. And then we'll go into the final room, which is our office. And here's what the office looks like. You can see my area there. Looks all cool there. Got the posters going. Marvel, Infinity War, Spurs, because I'm living in San Antonio. I love the Spurs. Star Wars, Fallout. Got your another Spurs banner there, and then I got all my screensavers with all the other stuff there. But there's the closet for mine, as you can see in there. It's already full, as much as it can go. Not as big as hers, but it'll be good. So that'll be pretty much our little areas here, and we might get a little couch or whatever, put it there. But yep, guys, this is it. This is the crib. it'll do here. Nice little apartment here, but that's pretty much that. So, okay, let's go ahead. Let me show y'all downstairs at the garage where we got that, and we'll show you the covered parking spot. Let's go down the stairs. Don't make fun of my shoes. These just my house shoes. Pretty much, but because I have two cars, the red Corvette will go in the garage. My girlfriend has a covered parking spot paid for, which is right here. As you can see, here's my other car, the Mazda. But since she's not moved in yet, I'm using it right now, and then I'll give it back to her whenever she's actually using it. But this one's my car here. This is her spot that she'll have under her covered parking. And then for me, once she moves in, it'll just pretty much be, you know, any parking space that doesn't block the entrance to a garage. Is not under covered parking, but is like available, you know, just like your regular spot that's not, you know, covered. It's just like these spots here, just regular, whatever you could find as far as that goes there. So, but I'll be parking here at least until she gets there. So, all right, everyone. So here's the garage here. Here's the fob. Let's go ahead, open it up. You'll see the vet inside. Here's the garage. I finally get a garage, guys. Haha, yay, I'm so happy. Well, I mean, I had one at my parents' house, but it was kind of being used half and half. But yeah, guys, here's the garage. So see, plenty of space to get in and out. A little bit tight there, but I mean, it is doable. So you can kind of see, here is the garage here. Now, it can go pulled up a little bit more if you want, or if you just want to keep this cleared, you know, just so you can get in and out, that's fine. But as far as that goes, here's what it looks like there. So you can kind of see, and I can, let me close the gate there so you can kind of see it go down. See, there it goes. And so we're in the garage there, and there's a little storage space back here as well for other stuff. So, you know, we got our bikes here, all my cleaning supplies, tools, spare parts from before, you know, my ramps, my stock exhaust, and then inside, you know, you enter here, goes through the, you know, part of the complex there. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's the garage here. So I like how you got a little bit of storage space there. And you know, I can either bring the car in straight like this, or I could back it in. You know, it just depends on how you want to do it there. But that's pretty much it for that, guys. All right, guys, well, I hope you all enjoyed the video, the tour of the apartment and seeing the garage and the car. More videos will come. There will be new stuff coming, so just kind of hang in there, and you know, we'll be getting those videos done as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and you enjoy the content on my channel. Go ahead and follow my Instagram and my TikToks just to help support me. But until the next video, guys, I hope you all enjoyed it. You'll have a great day. Peace.